Mantises are an incredible order of insects. They're 200 million years old but have only about 2,400 described species. Compare that to moths and butterflies with 180,000. Despite that, they're actually very successful and only a handful of species are threatened. The fact many mantises are so big attests to their success because it requires a lot of food and a lot of energy. The first feature you'll notice are their eyes. They actually have 5, but these other 3 eyes only detect motion and light. If you've looked at a mantis, you'll notice they always tend to look straight back at you, but this is actually an illusion. They have a wide field of vision, you're just seeing light absorbed in a few pseudopupils. This is sort of how that works. The 2 big front-facing eyes see in 3D, which is unique among insects. Their eye color tends to change at night. This is to enhance vision, while at daytime the color enhances camouflage. And speaking of camouflage, it's one of mantises' strengths, obviously. Without it, they'd quickly be eaten by birds and similar predators, or not be able to catch as much prey. Some mantises change color over several molts, and some, especially in stable tropical climates, have reached astounding levels of mimicry. Mantises hunt with their forelegs. After quickly snatching the prey, they eat it alive, starting from the head. Many mantises will engage in defensive posture when threatened, which is probably why females retain wings despite being unable to fly in most species. Males, on the other hand, usually always fly. And then we come to the mating. Contrary to internet jokes, female mantises eat males only in a minority of cases. After mating, the female lays the ootheca, which is at that point half of her weight. The nymphs hatch next year, and very few survive. Even if they reach adulthood, most mantises only live 6 to 12 months. Thanks for watching Impulse Note. This was the mantis. When I was 6, I encountered my first European mantis, and I was just blown away by how cool it was. Below are some of the most common mantises in the pet trade, and in the meantime, you can go to impulsenote.com/taxonomy to see a simple tree with the most important kingdoms, phyla, classes, and orders of life. Link in the description.